Want to make more money without working extra hours at your job? In this video, I'll show you how to build multiple streams of income, so you can earn while you sleep. Whether you're a beginner or already making money on the side, these proven strategies will help you create long-term financial security and freedom. From passive income ideas like investing and creating digital products, to side hustles like freelancing or starting an online business, I'll break down step by step how you can diversify your income and grow your wealth. Imagine waking up to notifications of money hitting your bank account, even on days you're not working. It's possible, and I'll show you exactly how to make it happen. Let's get started and transform your financial future today. Understanding multiple income streams. Most people rely on just one income source, their job. But if that job disappears, so does your income. That's why building multiple streams is crucial. It ensures money flows from different sources, creating stability. There are two types of income, active and passive. Active income is trading time for money, like a job or side hustle. Passive income is when your money works for you, through investments, digital products, or businesses that generate revenue without constant effort. The goal? Build more passive income to earn while you sleep, travel, or enjoy life. In this video, I'll show you how to start creating both active and passive income streams, no matter your starting point. Let's build financial freedom together. Let's start with side hustles. These are one of the fastest and most effective ways to boost your income, especially if you're looking to make extra money without quitting your day job. Side hustles allow you to leverage your skills, interests, and even your spare time to create additional streams of income. The best part? Many of these can be started with little to no upfront cost, and some can even grow into full-time businesses if you choose to scale them up. Some of the best side hustles to consider include freelancing. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, video editing, or coding, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal can connect you with clients who need your expertise. You can set your own rates and work on projects that fit your schedule. Online selling, whether it's handmade crafts on Etsy, vintage items on eBay, or running a dropshipping store, selling products online is a fantastic way to turn your passion into profit. Dropshipping, in particular, allows you to sell products without holding inventory, making it a low-risk option. Rideshare and delivery services, companies like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Instacart let you earn money on your own time by driving passengers or delivering food and groceries. It's flexible and perfect for those who want to work whenever it suits them. Print-on-demand or digital products. If you're creative, you can design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases through print-on-demand services like Printful or Teespring. Or, create digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses that can be sold repeatedly without additional effort. These side hustles not only help you earn extra cash but also give you the opportunity to explore new skills and passions. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and scale up as you gain confidence and experience. Ready to dive in? Let's turn your spare time into extra income. Investing. Now, let's talk about investing, one of the best ways to make your money work for you. Here are some options. 1. Stocks and ETFs. First, we have stocks and ETFs. When you buy shares in large, well-established companies, you become a part owner and can earn dividends. Over time, the value of your shares can increase, allowing you to sell them at a profit. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, offer a diversified portfolio, reducing risk by spreading investments across various stocks or other assets. It's a great way to get started in the stock market without putting all your eggs in one basket. 2. Real estate. Next, there's real estate. This involves buying properties to rent out or flip. Rental properties provide a steady income stream and potential appreciation in property value. House flipping, on the other hand, involves buying undervalued properties, renovating them, and selling them at a higher price. Real estate can be a stable and lucrative investment, especially in growing markets. 3. Crypto and alternative assets. Lastly, we have cryptocurrencies and other alternative assets. These investments are high risk, high reward. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have shown significant volatility, offering opportunities for substantial gains, but also posing considerable risks. Other alternative assets include precious metals, commodities, and collectibles. While these can diversify your investment portfolio, it's essential to do thorough research and understand the risks involved. In conclusion, each investment option has its pros and cons, and the key is to diversify your portfolio to balance risk and reward. Happy investing! Starting a business can be life-changing. Here are some business ideas. 1. E-commerce. Consider diving into e-commerce with platforms like Amazon FBA or Shopify. These platforms allow you to sell products online, reaching a global audience. Amazon FBA handles storage, shipping, and customer service for you, while Shopify offers you full control of your online store. Both options provide a great way to turn your passions into profit. 2. Subscription services. Next, think about subscription services. These can be memberships, coaching programs, or even monthly product boxes. The beauty of subscription models is the recurring revenue they generate, providing a steady income stream. Whether you're offering exclusive content, personalized coaching, or curated products, subscription services can build a loyal customer base. 3. Service-based businesses. Finally, explore service-based businesses like consulting, home services, or marketing. If you have expertise in a particular field, consulting can be highly lucrative. Home services, such as cleaning or landscaping, cater to the growing demand for convenience. Marketing services, especially digital marketing, are always in demand as businesses look to enhance their online presence. Remember, the key to success in any business is understanding your market, offering value, and staying adaptable. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey. And there you have it. Start with one income stream and build from there. The more sources you have, the closer you get to financial freedom. Remember, diversifying your income streams not only enhances financial stability but also opens up new opportunities for growth and innovation. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on which income stream you're trying first. I'd love to hear your plans and help you on your journey to financial freedom. See you in the next video. Show subscribe button with a bell icon.